Yes, that's one of the way to decide what you want to do. When you're unsure about something, it feels amazing to know that you can just take something as unpredictable as a rose and keep plucking out its petal to find a decision you want to do. But I think saying I will do it, I don't do it, I will do it, it gets repetitive and boring. And if the rose is big enough, it might take you a while to do that, and it's quite not the right way. So mathematics has a very beautiful way to help you solve this decision. You simply decide on, when you're plucking on the first pedal, you're saying I do it. Second pedal, I don't do it. Basically, you're saying on the odd number I do it, on the even number I don't do it. So just pluck out all the petals, count them. If it's odd, do it. If it's even, don't do it. Simple as that.